Okay. What about the point?
Apex.
Apex. What about up here? This is the right side.
It's the right.
So the right atrium, right? So this is the thinner wall. The thicker wall is always the left side, right? This middle side does not count. So now we're talking about all the way at the ends. Which side is thicker? Is it this or that one? This one. So the thicker side is always left. All right. So who remembers why I said the thicker side is the left side?
So apex is pointing.
No. Why do we need a thicker side on the left side? It's a better question. You're getting there. So what vessel is connected to the left ventricle? Systemic aorta. Alright, so if you're delivering blood to the rest of your body, don't you think you need a strong contractile force? You need something really strong to be able to pump all that blood out. The right side is weaker because it only needs to pump to one organ, which is the lungs. It doesn't need to really pump to the rest of the body. So make sure you think about that. So the two chambers on the top are atria. Two on the bottom are ventricles. You don't need to be specific because these are torn apart. So if I put a pin here and I ask you which chamber this is, I might give you a hint. I say, which chamber is this? The pulmonary vein enters this chamber. So if you remember which vein goes to and from, you'll remember that. All right. I might have like a little fill-in kind of thing. I'll say, I'm a red blood cell and I'm in the left ventricle. Where am I going next? All right. Systemic aorta. Or if I say I'm in the right atrium, where am I going next? Is the right ventricle. So remember that flow diagram that I showed you yesterday? Alright, if you know that, you should be okay. Otherwise, most of the other stuff is going to be stuff from like we did with microscopes or, let's see. Yeah, there's going to be like some of the starch things and some of the biochemistry lab stuff. So make sure you know all that stuff.
Any stuff from
since
like,
I have all the stuff here, why don't I show you guys?
any of the stuff